the first. I like that. Let's get it. Bro, I spawned in the right out, y'all.
Wheelies. It's just funny because I was like, oh, I know who that is. I just cared about that.
Oh yeah. I'm on your right. You're good, you're good.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Wow. Okay.
Big man, look out!
Look out, okay, you're scaring me, honey.
I'm just waiting on the gap. You're good. Just like rush hour traffic, you know, on the DA. Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. Little bike route. Little bike ride out. Jamie and Caleb are back there somewhere. Not Jamie and Caleb, but Jamie and Jaden. Waiting on them. Just gonna chill up here for a little minute. See what happens. I'll warm up Willie.
Wheelies. Oh. No. It's just funny because I was like, oh, I know who that is. I just cared about that.
Oh yeah. What up, man? You doing good?
Yeah, how
yes,
you?
Sir. Doing good.
Oh! What I really wanted to do was use this. Yeah. But I didn't get the life hack. Yeah, dude. You rad? Go, DJ.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Oh yeah. I guess stay on the way. You're right. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Yeah, there it is, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta leave it all the way. Don't be gone there.
How are you?
Oh, I got the right hand brake right now. You got brakes?
Yeah, I got brakes.
Use your, you got back brakes?
I got front.
Here, stop right here. I'll show you real quick.
I have
Look.
a single speed.
Oh, single speed? My name's Isaiah. Nice to meet you.
Isaiah?
Yeah. But I got this my back brake right here. So I just use my finger and kind of play with it like that. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we got to get up this hill. Only one way to get up these hills. Nice. Oh, yeah. Car. And left. Middle. White line. Oh, yeah. What's up, what's up? You doing good, man?
What's up?
What on?
We're gonna be hooligans.
Just a little bit.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Get it, brother, get it.
Ah! Go, go, oh my God! Oh my God!
Merry Christmas, everybody. Early Christmas. I need my bucket helmet. I should have brought my helmet. Woo! Is that electric?
Oh, I'm here all the time.
You wasn't lying about being hooligans. That thing is clean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I heard you. Bro, I spawned in the right out, y'all. Yeah, I gotta catch up. You on the GoPro? Throw y'all back on there.
Wow. Okay.
I got you. It'll stop on its own in a minute. I need a little bit of bearing grease and stuff. Oh yeah. Here we go. It stopped.
Oh man.
No, I do this every day. Almost really to the yard. That'd been crazy. We got some water.
How's it going? Go inside. The red guy.
There you go. There you go, boy. Woo!
You going right?
We are.
Right then.
You got you. I'm hugging the curb. You good?
You gotta stop eating those gummies before you get this right.
Oh.
Car turning into your guys.
Go back.
Oh, Jedi.
Oh, I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
You taking care of yourself? There he goes.
You better be safe, bro.
I got you. I got you.
Yes. So, and they're forward.
There you go.
Usually you do like a bunch of these like this rides.
I'm trying to. It's kind of hard to find though, sometimes.
There was that guy that was like on that one YouTube video where he was helping this kid like talk wheelies.
Where at?
I don't know, but
Yes, we live on.
Oh, oh, at Hoonigans. What up?
There you go. There you go.
find my mountain bike, I would be able to do wheelies. But find my mountain bike, I would be able to do wheelies. I can do on this bike.
I believe in you.
Yes, big man, look out!
Look out, Beaver! Teach me how to do that.
It's that back brake. Gotta lean back.
I'm just not doing it near now.
But are they laser cats?
I don't know.
They're interstellar cats. It's been a while since she's worn them, since she's donned them.
Okay, you're scaring me, honey.
Yeah, I'm like,
I'm just impressed.
I'm just waiting on the gap. You're good. Just like rush hour traffic, you know, on the BA.
Come on through, man.
Right on your left, guys. 7 a minute.
Oh, we in the middle. Merry Christmas. That's the most lit up bike here.
Well, thanks.
Oh yeah.
Finally, somebody is right.
I got you. I got you. To jump over that little scooter. Good idea.
yeah.
Whoever said that. It's crazy. Everybody up there.
I've been right next to you. I didn't realize it was you.
We get the tunnel. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ha ha ha.
Better learn how to turn that thing. You already learned. Go to the other wheelie contest.
I did.
You didn't win?
They ain't placed me.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
How did helmet guy? I forget his name.
I had fun. I asked no questions. We was just chilling.
There you go.
God's got me. We're chilling.
Open sleigh, everybody.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I will get through this gap one way or another. Santa zooming. Come here, Santa. Oh yeah, no, he's gone. He got them turbos. What you think? We think there's more open gaps on the left side or right side?
I'll tell you, man. Hey, I gotta say, brother, I don't know how the hell you do it. You're damn good, brother.
All right.
It's like, damn.
Hey.
I'm watching you, I was like, shit.
Oh yeah. Hey, I guess we got motivation, so I guess that's all we need.
Well, that's it, man.
I'll see if I make it to the other side.
All right.
I see a gap. Take it nice and slow. Nice slow downshift. Slow downshift.
You good?
Yeah. Appreciate it. I'm finna head out that way.
You gonna head this way?
No, it's not me. I'm gonna head out that way.
Are you gonna do a wheelie?
Yeah. Right now. Oh yeah.
Guys, keep it going.
I'm keeping it. Gotcha, gotcha. You say what I'm at. Nigga snapped. How y'all feeling about that?
I can't park there.
Hey, that's the first. I like that. I like that. That's good. Thank you. That's the first one. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Not you, but I'm just saying in general. Let's get it. Almost had it. What about them? You think they country?
I don't think
Behind you.
Hell no. I don't think any people country.
Oh, okay.
Once we go buy a ticket. You got it. You're like, damn if I do. Damn if I don't care, bro. Shut up.
It's huge.
Nah, it's not a KTM. No, dude, that's cool as fuck.
You think that's 600 or 1,000?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a ZX6. Oh, that's a CBR.
This is CBR.
ZX6.
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's fucking hardcore.
That's hard.
You get one of those. You guys just got power mode and stuff?
Yeah.
All right, y'all have a good night. Happy holidays.
Dude.
Man, GoPro died. This ended the video. Hope y'all enjoyed this shit. Bunch of random stuff going on. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Then we good.
All the good. Catch y'all on the next episode.
Damn if I do. Damn if I